Hello everyone and welcome back. In this quick tutorial, we are going to walk through how to set up a messaging channel in Salesforce to power your AgentForce AI agent. If you already built your AgentForce agent and tested it using the conversation preview, great. The next step is making sure people can talk to it through a live chat experience, whether it's your internal Salesforce app, an Experience Cloud site, or in Slack. And that's where messaging channels come in. So what's a messaging channel? You can think of it as the bridge between your users and your AI agents. It handles the actual chat interface, like a web widget, mobile chat, or an in-app chat. It connects to Omnichannel in Salesforce to manage routing. And it also tells Salesforce which agents to invoke when someone starts chatting. So without it, your agent doesn't know where to show up or how to respond. So let's head to Salesforce setup and type messaging settings. Make sure it is enabled, and in this org you can see that there is a default channel already created, but let's create a new one. And choose messaging for in-app and web and give it a name. So now our channel was created, and here you can set the routing type. We will leave it as none for now and come back later. You can show the estimated wait time and set how the conversation should start or end, and some opt-out keywords. And you can also automatically mark conversation as inactive after a period of time. So for example, after 5 minutes. So that's it. Let's save. This part is done, and let's also create an omnichannel flow. So use a template and scroll down to omnichannel flows. And here is the route conversations to AgentForce service agent. You can see that it's already pre-built. Make sure that your agents are active so that they appear in this option. So you just choose the agent that it should be routed to and select the queue and then save. Then you can activate the flow. And now let's go back to the messaging channel setup and link it as your routing flow. So it's OmniFlow, and the name was routing conversation to agent service, and messaging queue was the fallback queue. And on this interface, you can also add some more languages clicking this button and set automated responses. And once you are done, you just activate the messaging channel. And now any message that comes in will be routed directly to your AI agent. Now it's ready to use, and you can embed the agent in an Experience Cloud page, for example. To see how to do that, feel free to check out our previous video, which is called How to Add and Salesforce Agents to an Experience Cloud page. If you found this video useful, please don't hesitate to give it a like and subscribe for more AI Salesforce tips. Thank you.